In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive is stuck on sync pending 5 minutes. If OneDrive keeps showing sync pending, the quickest fix is to stop the sync engine cleanly, close the app, and then relaunch it. I'll walk you through that reset and, if needed, a simple computer restart. First, look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. It's usually in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the OneDrive cloud to open the panel. Next, click the gear icon, often labeled Settings or Help in Settings. This opens the control menu for OneDrive. From here, choose Pause Syncing. The duration you select doesn't really matter. The goal is just to pause the sync process so it stops trying to process stuck files. Give it a few seconds so the pause takes effect and the client settles. Now, still from that same menu, click Quit OneDrive. Confirm if you're prompted. Don't worry, this won't delete any files from your computer or the cloud. It simply closes the OneDrive app so we can relaunch it fresh. With OneDrive closed, open File Explorer. You can do that from the taskbar by clicking the folder icon or by pressing Windows key plus E. In the left sidebar, select your OneDrive folder so you're inside the location OneDrive uses on your PC. Inside that folder, click Start OneDrive to relaunch the application. This triggers the OneDrive client to start back up and reconnect to your account. You may see the cloud icon reappear in the taskbar within a few moments. At this point, OneDrive should restart syncing. Watch the cloud icon. It should move from paused or pending to showing progress and then to up to date once it's finished. If you had large files or a lot of small changes, give it a bit of time. Keep File Explorer open and avoid moving or renaming files while the first minute of resyncing is underway, just to reduce the chance of new conflicts. If the sync is still stuck after relaunching OneDrive, restart your PC. A simple reboot clears lingering background processes and refreshes system resources that can block sync. After the restart, check the cloud icon again and let it run for a minute. That's it. Pausing, quitting, and restarting OneDrive followed by a system restart if necessary resolves most sync pending issues quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your files moving again.